Now it is time for you to take the information on your outline, turn it into paragraph form. So I'm just going to go over my example really quick so you can see what I did. I just copied this body paragraph and I pasted it into a new document, and I just put it in a paragraph format, and I added some transitions, and just made sure everything was full sentences, no fragments, and then nothing was run-ons. And I just revised it. Truth be told, I was pretty well set from my original outline because I had done it in sentence form, so it didn't take me very long at all. So just a couple things I highlighted for you and put in the comment section. I made sure I had my counter argument in there. I had it on my outline, but I just wanted to double check to make sure I had it. This was different from my outline. On my outline, I had part of the quote, there was more information here, but I have this instead because it was just too lengthy and I couldn't figure out how to lead into my quote. So I came up with some of these include, and then I listed what I had for my evidence. Okay, so I just took part of my quote that I had on my outline. Super important that I did not just start my sentence with smoking, because that would have started a sentence with a naked quote, and you cannot do that. And I made sure I cited all my evidence. So there's one. Here's a paraphrase that I had. I made sure I cited that as well. I went through, I had analysis, put in transition. And one more thing or two more things I want to point out. This one right here, this piece of evidence, I led in by saying as stated by Gemma Taylor. So that's the author of my article. And so since I mentioned the author here, I don't have to put that in my citation, but I did have a page number. If you didn't have a page number, you just want to have a citation if you did this. Okay, I just wanted to show you a different way you could do it. And then also important that you have a clincher pulling everything together at the end of each body paragraph. Okay, so now go and turn your outline into